Hey my loves, welcome back. If you all are new here, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a 90s inspired makeup look. I was inspired by one of you all's comments because I just recently cut my hair and it does give like that 90s look. When I cut my hair, my mom even said the same thing. I did it myself, cut my hair several times. I've done it myself and it turned out okay. Like I can, you know, I can fake it till I make it. So when I cut my hair, so this time I kind of cut it in different sections and I just kind of cut all that dead hair off. So yeah, and it definitely unintentionally the hair kind of turned out like the inspired pictures that I wanted anyway, but I wasn't really thinking about that when I cut it. I was just trying to cut the dead hair. But anyways, I was inspired and I was like, you know what, I never did one of those kind of videos on my channel before. So why not? I'm actually going somewhere today, so that's perfect. So I do need to recurl my hair. I got girl my bonnet all which away. So I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm just using the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Now in the 90s, their brows were skinny, but obviously my brows are not skinny. Try to make them as thin. Just kind of drawing on as thin as possible. I do kind of want to make my arch a little higher. If I can get it a little higher, just kind of pull the skin a little bit just to bring it up. I did not record me cutting my hair because that's just something that you know, I just needed to do. I mean, I've cut my hair on camera before, but I just was, you know, in my zone doing my hair. But I wanted to cut my hair because it was not growing anymore, and my hair usually grows fast. But yeah, I need to cut all that dead hair off and start over. So, and then I didn't want to put any more braids in my hair without cutting. I didn't want to put another protective style in my hair without actually getting a haircut. I'm going to take a little bit of pomade just to kind of deepen it up. I felt like back in the day they used to use like, I don't know, maybe like a black eyebrow pencil. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in ebony, and I'm probably just going to use it towards the tail end of my brows. So I'm going to carve out my brows. I'm going to take LA Girl Fawn and I'm going to mix it in with black radiance. But I'm just going to mix. I'm just going to take the leftover concealer and I'm going to use that to prime my eyes. I'm gonna go in my Morphe 2 palette and I'm gonna go in with some of those brown shades. So I might do this brown right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in my crease. I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna use the dark brown that's in here. I'm gonna take the same brush, I'm gonna use that dark brown and just go over my lid because we want to keep it that grungy smoky look. So I just use those two browns and put a little bit in my crease. Make sure I get it in the corners. For primer today, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Matte Oil Control Primer. I am going to conceal so I won't have to use so much foundation, which I'm trying not to do because I can be a little heavy-handed. So I am going to conceal, just kind of keep it light with the products today. Just gonna buff that in with my beauty blender, and that was the Black Radiance concealer. I'm gonna take some of my Kiss mattifying powder, and I'm just gonna kind of set that concealer with this powder. Just kind of dust it. I got on a white shirt. I'm wearing a white shirt today, and I want to not get nothing on my shirt. Foundation I'm using is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, the soft matte oil control foundation. I have the color Chai. Okay, I'm just gonna blend. I want my concealer to last today, so I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer in Deep Chestnut, the mattifying. I'm gonna take that. Kiss. This is a nice dupe for the e.l.f. concealers. I'm gonna take a little bit of that. I'm gonna blend it out with a brush, starting at the bottom and then work my way up. I like that little eyeshadow combination with those browns. It looks really nice and soft. It looks better in person than it does on camera. Well, it looks good on camera too, but like in person, you can really see. This Sasha Buttercup powder, setting powder, I don't know about this. I don't know. I don't think I like the way it looks underneath my eyes. I don't know. And it says it's flash friendly, but I took some pictures and I don't think it is. But I gotta keep playing around with it. But I'm not gonna play around with it today because, like I said, I want to look cute. So I'm gonna use something that I know that's gonna work. I'm gonna use my black opal powder in 400 medium. I forgot to. I've been putting like powder, like setting powder underneath my eyes first, and then going in with my setting powder. Well, pressed powder. I'm sorry. I've been going. Did I say that first? I don't know. I don't know what I just said, but I've been going in with my pressed powder first underneath my eyes, and then the setting powder. And I like the way that looks, but I just forgot to do it right now. Set my face with the Kiss mattifying powder. I want to contour. I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance contour or foundation stick in the color, I think it's Chocolate Dip. I'm just going to take a little bit because it is dark. Just going to take a little bit because I want to contour. Okay. Love this here bronzer combination from Give Me Glow. They still have these on their website. They just changed the packaging, and I think they still have a bunch of stuff on sale for like 90% off. So I think they still have these colors available. So, but I've been loving this here combination. So this is the Give Me Glow bronzer. This one is Tropic Like It's Hot. So I'm gonna put that on first. It's just like a really nice deep bronzer. Since I just contoured, I want to kind of go in with that. Oh, see, look at it. Oh my god, beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit of that on my forehead, and I'm gonna warm it up with the other bronzer. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go in with Bronzed Bougie and just kind of warm. Ooh, now Brianna, that was too much. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta fix that. Okay, I'll be right back. To blush, I'm gonna take this Nicka K cheek palette. Y'all, these are so good. You need to pick this up. These are so good. I actually got two. Y'all saw me pull it for my shop my stash. So I'm gonna use this one today because I want to use this like it's giving like burnt brown orange. It's giving burnt orange, brown, terracotta kind of vibes. So I'm going to use that. I'm just going to add some black to my waterline. Of course, we got to do that. I'm going to go back into that palette. I'm going to go back into the Morphe 2 palette. And I'm going to take this here brown, the dark one, and I'm just going to smudge it underneath the eyes. Just kind of tie the look together. I'm going to take this black eyeshadow in this Dose of Colors Smoky palette. I'm just going to take this black and just do like a black liner, like kind of smudge it across my lash line. So I'm going to do that. So I'm just going to replace my moles. So I have one right here. You can still see it. Just going to make it a little darker. I used to replace my moles all the time. I just don't think about doing it anymore. And then I have one right here on my forehead. You can still see it. So I just make it a little darker. My lashes are not 90s, but I want to wear a fluffy eye look today. But like I said, this is an inspired look, but I want to wear these lashes because they're so pretty. So I don't know where I got these from. I don't know if I got these from Temu or Amazon, but I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes, and we're gonna come back and do the lips, which is the best part. We're gonna do something to my hair. We're gonna call it a day, okay? So the first lip liner I'm going in with is a black lip liner. This is from NYX. This is just a plain black lip liner. I was going to go in with the Makeup Forever, but I'm just going to go in with this lip liner from Morphe because I want to do like a kind of like an ombre lip liner kind of situation. So I'm going in with this Morphe lip liner in the color Other Half. And I'm going to go right underneath that. I don't know if you guys can see. Well, I'm going to go right underneath that black. Like that. You see? And we're going to blend that, of course. Okay, and you can blend that with your finger or with like, you could blend that with your finger or a lip brush or a fluffy eyeshadow brush, but I'm just going to use my finger. So as far as my lip gloss, I'm going in with the MAC lip glass, of course. I'm going in with that. I'm just going to take some on the back of my hand. Okay. I'm just gonna spray my face. All right, so this is the final look of me doing like a 90s inspired look. I know the lashes are a bit much, but I was going somewhere, so that's why I wanted to wear these lashes, but I didn't even end up going. I had to do something else. And yeah, so I just touched up my makeup a little bit, did a smoky eye, did some smokiness, made sure my under eye was smoky, and of course the lips. But yeah, this is like my inspired look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, I probably would do this again, probably do some different colors or something like that. If you guys enjoyed today's video, if you guys are new here, comment down below, thumbs up the video, and if you like what you see on my whole entire channel, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.